Hello YouTube, if you are an Android developer, you must be using vysor. Vysor is a tool that lets you mirror your Android screen to your computer like this. Yeah, but the only problem people are facing or you are facing is that they will show you advertisement every 15 minutes and it is bad and no one likes advertisement. So alternative is screen copy. It is completely open source tool which you can install to your any kind of OS. So for Linux, for Windows, for Mac OS, it is here. You can take a look at that and install it on your computer, and I can show you how it works. You just open any terminal, I mean any command prompt near you, and type screen copy, scrcpy, done. And the quality is much better than Vysor. So I hope you like it. So install it guys, try it, share your opinion in the comment box below.